In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix language bar missing from taskbar in Windows 11. So in case you don't know, we are talking about this button down here at the bottom. So this is basically the language bar, and we're going to fix this right now. So you want to go to the search box first. You want to type in typing settings, and then you want to go inside these typing settings. And then in here, you want to go to the advanced keyboard settings over here at the bottom, and you want to click on language bar options. What you should do over here is the following things. You must click on where it says floating on desktop, and then here you can also click on show additional language bar icons in the taskbar, and then here click that as well, which says show text labels on the language bar. Then after that, click on apply and click on OK. And when you do it, see if this is actually not working. So if it's still not showing up, what you can also do is the following. You can go to time and language up here, go inside language and region, and then here if you have multiple languages, so I have 3 of them as you can see set over here, what you can do is just choose the one that's your primary and keep that, and the other ones click on those 3 dots next to them and do remove. Now whenever you do this and keep only one, see if the issue has gotten fixed. If it did, then you can just click on add a language again, add your other languages, and then now you should be able to see this language bar down here at the bottom right. So that's how you do it, that's how you fix it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.